Do you know what is different between two apples? It looks the same, right? But the inside is different because this one is the normal apple and this one is a GM apple, which was made by scientists. So what is a GM plant and how to make it?
The GM plant is a plant that has a DNA change using technologies that generally involve the specific modification of the DNA, including the transfer of the specific DNA from one organism to another.
Well, I will tell you about the detailed summary of the process. Firstly, you need to identify the traits that you want. What do you want your plant to be able to do? Reduce pests, grow in poor soil, or produce more nutrients. The next step is identify the gene that control the traits. This can be done by sequencing the plant genome or comparing the genome of different plants with and without the trait. The next step is isolate the gene. After finding the gene, you need to cut it out by using rejection enzyme. Next, in step 4, after we cut the gene and open the vector, we need to insert the gene into a vector by mixing the DNA vector with DNA ligase. The last step is transferring the vector into the plant cell to transform. First, we mix the antibiotic solution, bacterial solution with medium. After that, we shake the medium on a rotary shaker. When the medium has been prepared, we will put the leaf disc into the mixed medium and leave it in the cabinet to incubate. And then we will take that tissue and start growing it in vitro to regenerate the plant. After all, we can use electrophoresis and PCR to test to see if that gene segment has been inserted.
Instead of using many supplements during a day, why not provide enough of them right in your daily meals? Like for example, you want to provide it with vitamin A. Instead of using many supplements, you can eat golden rice in your meals. This is a rice that contains a gene that encoding for the precursor of vitamin A.
Recently, can you feel the sign of climate change? Like it's November now, but it's scorching hot like midsummer in Hanoi. And it's hard for us, humans, and also hard for our important crops too. So how to deal with that? That's why scientists create drought-tolerant GM crops and flood-tolerant GM crops to deal with these climate crises.
So, tell me which one you will be choosing?